Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done something bespoke. We're trying to just step it up because thieves are getting a bit more aggressive. They're obviously spending more time in terms of attack, destroying the vehicle, and they're asking for keys at the door. So you want to obviously give them the keys and let them get away and be a bit safe. So what we've done here, we've done a Starline i96 Pro with call alert, so you know they're in the vehicle, and also remote immobilisation. Should they demand the code, give them the code, let them get away, and then obviously go and send a command for remote mobilisation, find out where it is with the tracker and go and retrieve the vehicle. So we're going to show you how it works. Standard procedure is start the vehicle up, insert a code on here. We've done something really basic, but you can use more buttons than just one. So if people say that's really simple, it's not, it's just for video purposes. So 1, 2, 3, receive our disarm melody. There you go, select a gear and drive away. It's gone to drive. Really simple and straightforward. So what I'm going to show you now, I'm actually going to show you that someone's done a relay attack, or they've grabbed the key, they're going to try and take it and watch the car go mad. This doesn't happen if you don't make a mistake, so don't be worried about all these malfunction codes. It's only because the vehicle's under attack and obviously it's immobilising. So we're going to start the vehicle up. Someone's grabbed this key, broken into the house, gone to drive away. As soon as they drive away, watch carefully, the vehicle's going to cut out. There you go, vehicle's cut out, all these malfunction codes are coming up. Oh my God, I'm panicking. And now if you watch carefully, within a few seconds, we're gonna get a phone call, so we know it's under attack, okay? So what we're gonna do is just gonna answer the call and end it, okay? It's also got Bluetooth authorization to disarm it through a phone, but we're trying to avoid that now due to Android version 14. They're not really pairing that well, and the iPhone version 15 Pro Max. So we're doing a push sequence. And also people get so used to using the code, so should I say the phone, and they forget the push sequence. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start the vehicle up. We're going to disarm it. Okay. Okay. There's our disarm melody. Now we've given the thieves the code, or it's in service mode. It's gone for a service and they've actually got the vehicle and they're going to drive it away. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the tracker that we fitted. If you watch carefully now, we're going to go to set. We're going to go to control fuel. We're going to fire a command. We're going to insert the code, and if you watch carefully, my colleague's going to fire the command. He's firing it now. There you go, vehicle shut down, okay? So even if we put the code in now, the car just will not start, okay? See, the car will not start, okay? We're hearing our disarm melody going off in the background. See, car will not start, okay? And we're getting a call, obviously, to confirm that it's sent the command and the command's been accepted. Now we're answering and killing the call. So what we're going to do now, obviously we know where it is because we fit the tracker. The vehicle's immobilised. They've left it alone, and we're now gone there. And we're going to go back to our tracker. We're going to go back to control fuel. We're going to go recover. We're going to put our code in. And if you watch carefully, obviously if the server's not down, the command will go through, says successful. Now, obviously we've gone to the vehicle. The vehicle started. Obviously it's going to shut down if I put it in gear because it's immobilising again. There you go, shut down. But obviously, you know, we're back to the vehicle. We're the owner. Start the vehicle up. Insert our code. There's our phone call because it was under attack. Obviously we made a mistake. There's our disarm melody. Put it in gear. It's all going very fast now. So basically what we've done here, we've done pin code disarm, immobilisation by analog, call alert. If obviously the car cuts out, we know outside it's under attack. And if obviously it gets stolen, we've given them the code. Let them get as far away from us as possible so we're safe. Send a command, immobilise the vehicle, know where it is. Go there, collect it, disarm it, drive it home. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. As again, this is Bespoke. We're trying to just step it up a little bit because thieves are getting a bit more aggressive and a bit more smarter. Give us a call, 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.